My Toyota need engine air filter change. Has been over 2 years, 30,000 miles. Been lazy about it, and so I bought a new one, the one on the right, from the dealer. And I came home and look, hey, compared to the old one, I kept the old box, and looked like it's shorter. So what happened? So I opened up the box. Let's take a look. And you can see exactly the differences is actually shorter. So I look at the marking on the box, and you can see both are made by Denso. They both made in USA. The part number are the same. It's 17801-YZC11, and that's exactly the same thing. So I didn't buy the wrong thing, or they didn't give me the wrong stuff. They just made it different. They're getting cheaper. When they make it, they try to shrink the height, almost half the height of the older one. And then I look at the folds, like all this down here. The new one look like more than the older one. So I counted the number of folds on the new ones, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, all the way down, is 90. And the older one is same thing. I counted all the way down is 74. So the new one has 90 folds, and the older one has 74. So does it mean that the new one is more efficient compared to the older one, even though it is shorter in height? So let's find out and do some math. See which one is better, has more surface area. Okay, let's measure the old one first. First the length. So I have a tape measure. It can measure centimeters. So I'm going to go by the centimeters. Yeah, move it over a little bit. .5 centimeters. Okay. And then the width is 19.5 centimeters. And the height centimeter, yes. And the height is 4.5 centimeters. Just take 4.5. Okay, that's the old one. Look at the new one. Let's find out the length of the new one. 22.6 centimeters. And how about the width? 20.8, 20.7 centimeters. How about the height? 2.2 centimeters. Okay. To find the surface area, the number of folds or fins here times 2 and then multiply the height of this, and then multiply the length of this. Then it will give you the total surface area of this. So here we see the summary of the old filter, and the total surface area is 14,985 centimeters square. Here is the result of the new filter. The new filter total surface area is 8,949.6 centimeters square. Here, from the result, we see the new filter has almost 6,000 centimeters square less than the old filter, so which is 67% less surface area than the old filter, which is a totally rip-off from Toyota. So if you buy an OEM Toyota filter, you are paying more to get less. And I don't know how the 67% less total surface area affect the engine's performance. But anyway, that's all you can get, and Toyota wants us to pay more to get less. Thanks for watching.